In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop push notifications on updates you may have missed on LinkedIn. We all know how essential it is to stay informed on professional networks like LinkedIn, but sometimes, the constant buzz of notifications can be more distracting than helpful. So, let's dive into managing those notifications effectively. First, let's get started by opening your web browser and heading over to linkedin.com. If you find you're not logged in yet, you'll need to sign in. You can do this easily by using your Google or Microsoft account, or if you prefer, just enter your email address and password. Now, if you have two-factor authentication activated on your LinkedIn account, you'll likely be prompted to verify your identity. This usually involves entering a special code sent right to your mobile device, adding an extra layer of security to your account. Once you're securely logged in, direct your attention to the top right of the page where your profile picture is located. Click on your picture, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Clicking this will bring you to a page filled with various settings you can manage regarding your LinkedIn account. Now that we're on the correct page, look over to the left-hand side where you'll find a menu. Here, you'll want to search for the Notifications tab and click on it. This area is where you'll see a variety of notification settings you have control over. What we're specifically looking for is a category called Network Catch-up Updates. Within this space, LinkedIn accumulates updates that you might have missed based on your network's activities. This is the spot where you can customize which notifications you want to receive and which you'd prefer to disable. This includes both in-app notifications that pop up when you're browsing LinkedIn and push notifications that can arrive on your mobile device. Turning off those unwanted notifications will help you minimize interruptions and ensure you're only receiving updates that are significant or relevant to you. And there you have it. By following these clear and simple steps, you can effortlessly regain control over the notifications you receive on LinkedIn, so you're no longer overwhelmed by a barrage of unnecessary updates. By customizing your notification preferences, you not only improve your LinkedIn experience but also allow your professional focus to remain undisturbed. This little adjustment can lead to a more serene and productive browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you take charge of your online alerts.